So this was my amazing birthday at the weekend, putting it all together, and then you'll hear me talk you around it at the end, and then the speeches for my birthday when they brought out the cake. Sorry, I'm crying again. Only a little bit though. But anyway, we had a fabulous day. It was an amazing brunch. So this is all about how I set up a spring summer brunch for my birthday. I got the help of two amazing girls called Michelle and Anne, who work at the forest at Fence, and they are simply divine, and their skills were above and beyond. They're always fantastic to me there. I think it's a great place to go. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and please leave your comments in the section below. I hope you enjoy my birthday. So that is empty, but we've got a little setup here. Oh look, you see all my rubbish here. That's empty, and now we're going to start doing it up. Okay, so I don't know whether you get a feel, but this is now finished. I'm going to take you to the cake stand first of all. So just showing you what we've done around the cake stand. So the cake was made by my beautiful friend Evie, and this is just a sprayed B&M like sandwich tray. You saw me doing this, and that's from the range, and I've sprayed that gold, and I've put that on a plank of wood that I got from the range for $3.99. And then this gold hoop is a kid's hula hoop that I've sprayed gold, and then I've put a bit of fake and a bit of real foliage on there with a fake rose, artificial should I say, but some of this is artificial, some of it's real. That's real. Most of it on here will be artificial apart from the gypsophilia. Got little tea lights just to give it that little bit of pizzazz. My candles are from my back garden. I have in the back garden. This is what I always use for Easter, and I thought I'll throw in a couple of bonnies. This is actually a basket that I got from my favourite shop of all time, which is Home Sense. And then last night I just piled a load of flowers in there just to make it a little bit different because it's empty. So that's that part. Then moving on to the table. So I've filled it with foliage. This is the best way for you to get this sort of effect. So I've got some artificial, most of it's real, and most of it's been taken from my garden. And then I've also bought some foliage as well. And then the best way is just to absolutely pile it up, and then you fill it up with flowers. And the flowers, if I can show you, if I can just pull one out here, I've actually put them in these plastic tubes so they've always got water. And then I've cut up fresh fruit so you can smell the fresh fruit. In fact, I'll just put that there. So you can smell that fresh fruit in here. So it's got a really lovely scent to it. Some artificial fruit. These red apples are artificial, which I got from, go on, you probably have to tell me better than me. I got those from QD, Quality Discounts. And then I've taken a Granny Smith apple, and Gary's drilled a hole in it, and I've put a tea light in apples. So every so often there's an apple, and then there's fruit chopped up. Then I put gypsophilia in there, I put ivy in there. You've got, what else have you got? Eucalyptus in there. For this one I didn't have enough hydrangeas, so I've just put floating candles. These are real, so I've got lemons in that one, oranges in this one, lemons in that one. And then we've done some cucumber for everybody to help themselves, cucumber water. You've seen this. I've yet to put on I've either put on the link. If I have, I'll leave it below. If I haven't, then it will be coming very shortly. This again is just made out of a child's hula hoop. My fudge, I'll put a link to that. I've always done that. My link to my strawberries as well, really easy. This is from Bloom and Wild, beautiful place. Bloom and Wild is online, and it's then if you come around here. So this is the second table. Again, all the same sort of design going all the way through it, and you've got all these flowers, and this is a really easy way of doing a garland down the middle of your table. So we're doing this for brunch. And then I've got grapefruits, limes that we've cut up just to bring that scent out, and the ivy that I cut off trees this morning. And then we've got this side, which has got we've got limes and lemons cut up, and then we've lit here, and then we've done exactly the same over here. And that from here is the room, and this is for my brunch for my birthday today, where my beautiful family and gorgeous close friends are coming. And I wanted to make it extra special for them. Oh, my camera stands there. But I also wanted to make it extra special because obviously this is the first year to be without my dad. So I'll take some photos, but hope you can see that fully. So that's the room everybody's going to be coming into to have brunch this morning.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sally. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you everybody for coming. I really appreciate it. I wanted to make this year really special because obviously...
Don't say words.
No.
Happy birthday.
It's a difficult one this year, and obviously the decoration is because I've gone a bit loopy this year with my dad. So I just wanted to make it really special, and all the family have been together all weekend and it's been absolutely fabulous. Because tomorrow is obviously going to be very difficult. So thank you for coming.
Happy birthday.
To Daddy. To Jack. Yeah, sorry.
Someone said to everybody there. Oh! Hey, Linda, come on.